Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a Saxdor 400 GTO. Starting here off the transom, we have the Mercury V10 400s in white. We did the flexi teak throughout. We have the aft glass bulkhead, which is in the up position. You could totally close this back part of the boat off. Also close the port and starboard side with the isinglass. We have the port side terrace down. Same for the starboard side. Really opens up the boat, gives you a lot of extra space. Great aft sun pad. Storage here on the starboard. And then Kenyon electric grill on the port side with a sink. You have an insulated cooler in the floor here. Moving into the boat. So now on the starboard side, I have the isinglass. I'm going to shut the aft glass and show you guys how this boat really closes up to keep you warm on a nice day or keep the air conditioning on in the summer heat. Cockpit table. Aft cabin package on this boat. Now we're moving into the boat. I'm going to show you the aft cabin. Stepping in. This port side seat has two positions. So now you can sit looking out. When you have the terrace fold down, hold it back up. Great amount of seating in the cockpit here. Let's go through the wet bar. We have a Kenyon electric cooktop with a sink, refrigerator below, storage drawers right here. A couple things that I want to show you. So we could bring the table up and down. Now we have the cockpit filler cushion in position, and the seat that I'm sitting on also faces forward, which I'll show you next. This seat is great for when you're running the boat and you want to sit facing forward. Room for two people. Now moving up to the captain's chair. Pull down bolsters. Joystick is in a great position. We have a bow thruster on the boat. It's going to have 4 SIMRAD displays. This one you could use just for your engine data. And then we have 3 16-inch displays going across the dash, which is great when you want different views of depth finder, chart platter, you're switching, many different ways to switch those screens up. We also have a radar on the boat, so you could look at your radar on one screen, have your chart, and then additional display here. We have a phone charger here. Nice footrest. Also, I want to point out we have not 1, 2, but 3 refrigerators on board. Also, a great feature here at the helm is the opening sunroof. Bringing in a lot of air and sunlight. Moving into the cabin. Spacious head compartment. A lot of headroom down here. Plenty of natural light. It's air conditioning. Enough sleeping for 2 people. We have a storage compartment underneath the steps. Moving up towards the bow. Great windshield design here. Lock it just like that. This door will shut. That goes up. We also have a table up here. Plenty of seating. Access to your windlass. That concludes today's walkthrough on the Saxdor 400 GTO. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.